mo yung protesta pa tinatalo. You are killing the soldiers. Okay. Eh di mag-shift ba yan eh? Ano ang gusto ngayon? Pag mag-shift. At saka kayo, I hate corruption. Hindi ako naman makalinis. Marami rin ako nanakaw pero naubos na. So, wala na. Hindi ako na pero corruption is really out during my term. I will be yung mismong cabinet secretary ko, magbili ka ng truck na 18 million bumbero. Anong klaseng bumbero po yung patayin mo? First class na apoy? Lahat. Ngayon, there's somebody there sa club building. I'm just waiting for him. I will fire him maybe tomorrow. Basta, ito rin doon, ang galita, locator. Pagka maghingi na ng permit to start to contract, contractor start to build. Maghingi ng 2 billion. Sa firma mo. Palit na tayo ng trabaho. Sabi ko mga itong kabata sa lugar, nasa lugar mo, wag kayo magkamay. Talagang ang akin is dito, I would never go for it. Tama yan yung businessan palagi. Huwag na yan ang suspension ko. Nangyari dyan, magnakaw rin ako. Dahil lahat ng yung mga official, businessan dapat. Kaya matapos na yan si curfew. Wala akong magawa. Diba ako? I will appoint myself as resign as appoint myself as yung busman. Ubos kayong lahat. Pinipirti kayo, kailang liyayaman. Kami dito nagtatrabaho ng pero totoo talaga na corruption. Huwag magkasala ka na, magkatawag ka ng 5, tukal akin 4, okay na yan sa akin. Wala akong problema niyan, mag-girlfriend ka ng 6, ako may 3 akong reserva, pareho lang tayo. Huwag lang yan corruption, putang upakan talaga. Huwag yan kasi alam mo, the reason why this country has never really progressed.
Corruption.
Corruption.
Yes.
Dito sa taas, okay ma'am. Dito sa taas, okay yan. Wala namang, no stupid president should ever declare corruption sa
If we decide to change our range food, I think we'll just use Mari to install it. Yeah, because he quoted us how much it's going to ask us to remove the thing and install. So it's only 5, how much, 550? Then probably we can ask tile people or whatever. I'll get Mari's number, I'll put it in my phone. Hi John?
Yeah.
Can I give you your phone number? Can you give me your phone number? Because when we
It's
go
low
out, and then I might lost you or whatever, we'll be walking somewhere.
Can I tell you it later because it's low back? It's low back. It needs charging.
Are you charging it?
Yeah. I'll tell you it after
How
this.
often do you charge your phone?
Not often.
Huh?
Not often.
Ang problema kay Lenny, may problema siya. Problema na may problema. Alam mo bakit? Utang ina si Pamatong, sabi niya, I have assumed as of today, the presidency. Yung si Pamatong na, sabi niya sinasabi ng president, as of today, I have declared Duterte. Sige, total, Lumang kami lahat ng swerte. Di sila, ako pa. Sige, inyo na. Hala kayo lang. Pero, yeah, kayo ang, the only way na makatulong kayo is really tell me. Okay? Anybody for that matter. Ito si Bongo, Chinese Marine ko. Itong state ko, call him. Just a date, sabihin mo lang I have a very important urgent matter to say. Pag sabihin mo corruption, I'll give you all the time. I listen to you. At ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko papa yung... Wala talaga. Ako, I do not expect na during my time tataas tayo. But at least yung corruption, mawala. Kaya talagang naman, sumubra. I have to go home because I have a very important... You know, you'd see me less of me until the Marawi incident is over. Nandun ako sa mga kampo. Every day, lumilipad ako ng kampo talaga. Just to raise the morale. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. President, for your encouraging words. 非常感谢杜特尔特总统为我们带来热情洋溢的讲话，谢谢您。 At this point, may I request our President to grant a photo opportunity. Thank you very much, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, for gracing this momentous event. Again, ladies and gentlemen, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte，你们热情的掌声送给菲律宾总统杜特尔特。
Chinese